Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to be notified as soon as I post a new video.
Hey guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Sleek and Natty. Today's video is a much requested video. A lot of you have been asking me to make something out of long or full length skirts. So here it is. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a poncho or a cape dress like this from your old long skirts. And like I've said in many of my videos, ponchos and capes are totally in trend these days. So this dress is going to look absolutely stunning. And although you can use any of your old long skirts to make this dress, but if you have a skirt which has either a border or a print or some kind of design on the bottom edge, then this dress is going to look all the more better. So let's start.
First of all, lay your skirt on a flat surface and adjust it a bit to make sure that both the front and the back sides are in line with each other. Now take a measuring tape, place it on the skirt like this and mark a point which is about 15 inches above the lower edge of the skirt. Starting from one side, mark these points along the entire front side of the skirt till you reach the other side, like I am doing here. And then join these points such that you get a curved line like this. We now have to cut along this line, but before that place a few awl pins on this line passing through the front and the back layers of the skirt so that they don't get displaced while cutting. And once you are done placing the pins, simply cut along this line. We will now keep the upper part aside for the moment and use this lower part to make our poncho or cape top. For this, first of all, cut open this lower part from the sides. Cut it from the other side as well, so that you now have two similar pieces. Now take one of these pieces and lay it flat with its right side facing upwards. Then take the other piece and place it on this piece with its right side facing downwards, so that the right sides of both the pieces are facing each other. Make sure that the edges of both the pieces are in line with each other and then pass a few awl pins passing through these two pieces so that they don't get displaced when we work on these. Next, mark the center point of the top edge using a measuring tape. And now mark a point on either side of this center point which is at a distance of 5 inches from it. So this part between the 2 points will form the neck of our top. And to make the neck, I will cut from one point to the other, giving it a very slight curve as we want our top to have a boat neck. Now take one of your t-shirts and place it on this such that the center of the t-shirt matches with the center of this cloth piece. Also make sure that the shoulders of the t-shirt align with the top edge of the skirt piece. We now have to mark the sleeves and the lower part of our cape top, and for this what we will do is we will draw a line along this part of the t-shirt but at a distance of about 1.5 inches from it. If the t-shirt that you are using is a loose one, then you can reduce this distance to 1 inch. Do this on the other side as well. After you've marked these lines, you can remove the t-shirt and this is how your lines will look. We now have to stitch along these lines as well as along the top edge of this cloth piece on either side of the neck. You can stitch either with thread and needle or a sewing machine if you have one. What I did was that I first gave it a rough stitch using thread and needle and then I tried on the top to see if it's fitting me well. Once I was satisfied with the fitting, I gave it a final stitch using a sewing machine. I am here using a white color thread so that it's visible clearly to you. You should obviously use a thread which matches the color of your skirt. And now we will give a straight stitch along the top edge till we reach the neck part. So this is how it will look once you are done. Repeat this on the other side of the top as well. After doing this hand stitching, I tried it on, and once I was happy with the way it looked, I got it stitched with the sewing machine, and this is how it looked at the end of it. Okay, so the next step is to cut the lower part of the top along this stitch, and as you can see here, I am cutting along this line at a distance of about 1 centimeter from it. Do this on the other side of the top as well. So this is how your top will look once it is done. Last step is to hem the neck and the sleeves of the top. To hem the neck, fold it about half a centimeter inwards like this. Fold it one more time and then pass an awl pin through it to secure it in place. Do this along the entire neck. So this is how it will look once done. Repeat this on the back side of the neck as well. You now have to give a straight stitch over it, and this is how it will look after stitching. Now hem the sleeves of the top in exactly the same way. Fold it inside by about half a centimeter, then fold it again. Secure the fold in place with pins. Do this along the entire circumference of the sleeves and finally give a straight stitch over it. This is how your sleeves will look once these are done. So now all you have to do is to flip your top to bring its right side out, and it is ready to be worn. Now coming to the lower part of the dress, which is this short circular skirt, all you have to do is to hem its lower edge. For this, turn the skirt inside out, fold its lower edge by about half a centimeter inwards, and then fold it one more time. Place a pin on it to secure the fold in place. Do this along the entire lower edge of the skirt. Finally, give a straight stitch over it. Now just flip the skirt to bring its right side out, and your skirt is done as well. Your two-piece poncho dress is ready to be worn. I hope that you liked this video. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and connect with me on my Instagram and Twitter accounts. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.